watch a movie, April Fools, I think a Tuesday. Spring had just arrived and so our clothes were hanging loosely. We stepped outside to the old petrol station. Out of nowhere started raining, kinda suited the occasion. Reminded me of when we spent our whole summer vacation 2011, sleep out in my basement. Looking back, I think that we just spent those 2 weeks wasted. Some cider love we tasted, find your love you chase it. If I never told you that I wanna hold you, that I wanna hold you, I just wish it was enough. If I never told you that I wanna hold you, that I wanna hold you, I wish it was over by now. 'Cause you're coming over to my house, you're coming over to my house. Red eyes don't get radio out by now. 'Cause you're coming over to my house, you're coming over to my house. Red eyes don't get radio. Stayed up late to watch the day arrive. Lucky number 25. Take a minute just to live it, and that's when you'll realize every now and then the worst we can make's the best we can. And everything is better because I'm with all my friends. Some suburban kids just getting drunk out in the garden, sitting by a swimming pool with the best dressed kid from Harlem. Grass stains on my shoes and my rib cage is bruised, and that side of love you tasted, find that stuff you chased.